Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reverse money on your Capitec app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it, shall we? Alright guys, the first thing you need to do is access your Capitec mobile banking app. So open up your app on your phone and then make sure you're connected to the internet. And then after that, you want to navigate to the transact menu. So to locate that, tap on transact option to initiate the transaction related actions. And then from that menu, navigate further to find and select debit audit section. This is where you'll be able to manage and reverse debit orders. And then for your security, you'll need to sign in. So the app will prompt you to enter in your remote PIN. Input the PIN in access to see the direct order section and proceed with the reversal process. And then once you've done that, you want to select the debit order. So you will now be presented with a history menu of your debit orders. So carefully review and select the specific debit order that you wish to reverse. And then also you need to provide a good reason for dispute. And then so put in your reasons why you want to reverse it. And then just choose from the available options that best match your situation there. And then after that, you want to accept the dispute agreement. So before proceeding, that will present you with a disputed agreement. Read through it carefully to understand the terms and conditions. If you agree, go ahead and accept the agreement. So after you've done all that, be patient, and then you'll hear back from Capitec within a few days to see if they can reverse it or not. And then if all things go well, you should be able to see a reversal into your bank account. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.